Hi and welcome back to Chasing Financial Freedom at chasingfinancialfreedom.net, and we're going to talk about how to become financially free with Rocco Di Pietro. The simple answer is trading the stock market and being wise about the future. When we talk about the stock market, we have to talk about trading versus investing, and we're going to talk about how our trading strategy and our trading methodology can improve our chances in the stock market and how you can get ahead in this, let us call, trading game and of course investing game. And today we're going to talk about a stock, a very interesting stock, and the stock is of course Novavax. Novavax is a stock based in the US, traded on Nasdaq, and they are essentially in the race for a vaccine. It was a company of about 100 million capitalization and has risen to almost $8 billion as of today, the 1st of December 2020. The chart pattern is bullish and we have a momentum of growth we're seeing, but something interesting happened today. If we look at the stock, we can see that if you look at the chart of 5 days, we can see that we have had a big increase. So about a month ago we were moving between 96, 100, then we went down to 86, then we moved up to 90, 93, and we were essentially trading in this spot. We were trading between 78, 92, 90, and so on. So what happened with this stock today? The stock, in my opinion, has great potential, and I'm going to tell you why this stock has such a great potential. But right now we have to talk about its main competitor, and Moderna. With Moderna having something similar, we have seen a rise from $80 essentially. If you look at 1 month ago, we were around $80, $90, $80 mark, $90 mark. So, and then we had a step growth for this company. We went to $175. So 100% increase in their valuation. And the most important thing for this company, if we try to make a comparison between Moderna and Novavax, is their market capitalization. We are seeing that Moderna has, as far as I know, one product, and which is the vaccine that are making, and they have a market capitalization of $55 billion. And if you look at Novavax, we can see that they have a market capitalization of $7.8 billion, and it is moving ahead. But let's not forget, we had a reverse split. So the price was already 4 years ago, the price was 155. Then we had a decline, we went to $25. Then we moved slowly, and then we went to $10, and we hit the lowest point was, I think, somewhere around $3. And then when they told the public that they're going to make an experimental vaccine, because essentially in the warp speed they had 3 types of methodology. They have the mRNA combinator, they have, which was Pfizer and Moderna, of course. Then we had the Sanofi method, and then at last we had Novavax and other companies. So Novavax has a great potential, and we can see right now we had a new I have already been injected with COVID vaccine. This is why I'm cheering for the Novavax underdog. So let us see what's going on in this article. So Article on MarketWatch. No, I've never considered it was risky, and no, of course I'm not getting paid. I just received my second shot a few days ago, writes Pierre Briacon, volunteering for a vaccine in London. It is important to note that Novavax is doing their phase 3 trial in the UK, and that is actually great news because they have applied for a phase 3 in the USA, but it's not as important to get that. The most important thing right now is to get approval in the UK. If they get the approval in UK, they are essentially have a path toward the whole world. So they have received $2 billion from Warp Speed, and they have also put up some new shares for about $500 million, and they are investing this into their production capabilities, and they are going to be capable of producing 2 billion of doses per year. Why is this important? It is important because this stock is, or this vaccine is probably going to take just one shot, and if you look at 2 billions per, and let us say the vaccine is going to cost $16, we can see that they're going almost to have 1 billion, or 2 billion, and if we multiply by 16, they're going to have around 30 to 35 billion of dollars of revenue just from this source. So the stock is attractive right now because we have seen a small correction right now. We're seeing the stock moving up in price. We have seen it moving up to around, if we look at 6 months ago or year to date, it was 178, and it has risen from $3 essentially to this price. But let us not forget that if you look at the market capitalization and if you look at this stock, we can see that this stock is not expensive. Actually, this stock is, as of right now, is very cheap. And let us think about what is going to happen when they're going to had their phase 3 release, and when they're going to be successful. We're going essentially to see a spike or in the price tag. If the company gets its approval and receives, because they're doing phase trials in India and other countries and South Africa, we're going to see probably around 3 multiplier or even 10 multiplier. So this stock can multiply 3 times, so go up 300%, or even 10, and it can go 1000% up in its price. So it's a very appealing stock right now. Today we're seeing a correction. This is actually great news. We have seen an increase in price, and we have come almost to 150, and as of today, let us see, the lowest price was 122 and the highest price was 150. So if you look at the technical analysis for the stock, and I have I think 20 minutes ago I have made these lines. As you can see here, for today we're seeing the resistance line at somewhere around 134. So it was very hard to go when the price fell. It fell down and it reached this line, which was the resistance line, or the support line, the support line. And here we have seen that the stock has risen again, but we have seen here resistance line, of course, and we have seen this stock price go down, and we almost touched this line of 125, and then we've gone even lower. So we have gone through this second support line, which was at $122, and we are, yes, today we are going down, but it's not a bad day, because on the bad days we can load more, we can buy at a discount. And if we say that this stock is going to at least make 100% return, then it is still a cheap stock to buy. And if we're talking about 10x this stock, we're probably going to see that even more. So as I noted before, the most important thing to know about Novavax is its market capitalization. If they're going to be successful in the phase 3 trial, we are going to see a market capitalization similar to Moderna. But not forget that they have the NanoFlu, which is in its closing phase. It is a competitor with Sanofi, and it has shown that is a much better product. And then they had some more good news. Today we see that the volume is 9 million and average volume is 4 million. So today more people are selling this stock, so this is why this stock is going down short term. But we can see that even Moderna is going down, and yesterday Moderna was up 20%, Novavax was up 15%, so Moderna was always leading. And we can see the pattern right here. Moderna is at 7 to 8% down, and Novavax is down 10%. So it's a cyclical thing, and be sure that the stock market is going to recover, and people are going to go back to this stock and invest some more. So I think that it is a great opportunity. I hope that you make a great investment for yourself, and that you can multiply your money. As usual, this is not professional advice. I am a lawyer and accountant, tax advisor, and I'm doing these videos to study the stock market and to improve what I'm doing with the stock market. My end goal is financial independence and becoming a better investor for the future, because if you look at that, it is better to have your money working for you and not yourself working for your money. So until next time, I'm hoping and wishing you the best, and hope that you make some great gains today in the stock market. Until next time, bye bye from Chasing Financial Freedom.